Ever feel like you spend more time driving screws by hand than actually building or fixing things? Your wrist is tired, your project is taking forever, and that old plug-in drill keeps getting tangled in cords. That is why I tested the top cordless drill and impact driver combo kits on Amazon to find the ones that turn hours of tedious work into minutes of effortless driving. From professional-grade DeWalt kits to budget-friendly options and brushless powerhouses, these tools are total game changers for your workshop. Check the links below for the best prices, and let us dive into the top 5 picks. First up, for those who want legendary DeWalt reliability without spending a fortune, we have the DeWalt 20-volt Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit, model DCK240C2. You get a compact drill driver and a powerful impact driver, both running on the 20-volt Max battery platform. The kit includes 2 batteries, a charger, and a contractor bag. The drill is perfect for everyday tasks like drilling into wood or metal, while the impact driver delivers the torque you need for driving long screws into dense materials without stripping heads. If you need reliable performance for home repairs or DIY projects, the DeWalt DCK240C2 is a phenomenal choice that delivers professional results without breaking the bank. Now let us talk about another great DeWalt option, the DeWalt 20-volt Max Cordless Drill Driver Set, model DCD771C2. This is a 2-speed drill driver that gives you complete control. The high-performance motor delivers plenty of power, and the 2-speed transmission lets you go from high torque for driving large fasteners to high speed for drilling clean holes. You get 2 XR 1.3 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries, a charger, and a contractor bag. The drill is lightweight and well-balanced. If you primarily need a drill driver and want to build your DeWalt collection later, the DCD771C2 is a perfect starting point. If you love the DeWalt platform but want to save money, you will love the CRAFTSMAN V20 Max Cordless Drill Driver and Impact Driver Set, model CMCK200C2. CRAFTSMAN is owned by the same company as DeWalt, so you get similar engineering at a budget-friendly price. This kit includes a drill driver, an impact driver, 2 V20 Max batteries, a charger, and a carrying bag. Both tools feature an LED work light, which is a game changer when you're working in dark corners or under sinks. You also get 2 bits to start right away. It is a smart, practical tool set that makes your projects noticeably smoother and faster. For those who want incredible value without caring about brand names, the DEKOPRO cordless drill is a fantastic budget option. This 20-volt electric power drill set includes the drill, a battery, and a charger. DEKOPRO makes affordable tools that actually work for light to medium-duty tasks. This drill is perfect for hanging pictures, assembling furniture, drilling into drywall, or tightening loose screws around the house. It is lightweight and easy to handle. If you are a new homeowner or someone who only needs a drill a few times a year, the DEKOPRO gives you all the functionality you need without the premium price tag. Finally, we reach what many consider the best value in brushless technology: the SKIL PWRCORE 20-volt brushless 2 tool drill driver and impact driver combo kit, model CB8002B-10. Brushless motors run cooler, last longer, and deliver more runtime per charge than brushed motors. This kit includes a drill driver, an impact driver, 1 2.0 amp-hour battery, and a charger. The impact driver is perfect for driving lag bolts or deck screws, while the drill handles all your drilling needs. For the price, you're getting brushless technology that used to cost twice as much. If you want modern, efficient, powerful tools without paying premium prices, the SKIL PWRCORE combo is a smart investment. From the professional-grade DeWalt DCK240C2 to the drill-focused DCD771C2, from the budget-friendly CRAFTSMAN V20 Max to the ultra-affordable DEKOPRO, and finally to the brushless innovation of the SKIL PWRCORE, there is a perfect drill and impact driver combo here for every type of user. Think about what matters most to you. Is it the brand name? Is it brushless technology? Is it having both a drill and an impact driver? Or is it simply the lowest price? One of these kits is the solution. Click the links below to find the best deal on the one that is right for your workshop and your budget. Trust me, your wrists and your project completion time will thank you. Thanks for watching, and happy drilling. And